Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your BIGME HiBreak Pro. So first, what you guys can do is adjust the media and call volume in the settings. So go over to settings, now click on the sound here, and after that, here we will have the volume section. So make sure that either media is at 15 and the call is at 7. It's very important. You guys can change it by either sliding or by clicking. And you guys can do it just like that. Now make sure that do not disturb mode is disabled in the settings. It's also here. So go here, click on turn off now. And as you guys can see, now our D&D mode is disabled. What you guys can do next is clean the speaker grill. So the speaker grill is right here. If it's filled with dust or debris, then it might cause the issues of the low volume. So we do not want that. Now what we can also do is test the phone using different apps. So for example, you can call somebody and put him on speaker. And now after that, you guys can watch a YouTube video and see if that fixes the issue. So after basically fixing the issue, what you guys can do is go over to update software to fix any audio glitches, including this one. So go to settings. Now we need to go over here. We need to scroll to system. And now go over and click system update. Click on check for update, and if you get a notification that you have the latest version, then you're good. But if you have an update available, then do it as fast as possible. It's very important to keep your phone updated. Now after that, go to more settings. It's right here. It's close to the system. And scroll. Click on system, and here we need to go over and go to the system update. So now our system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys checking it out and updating it. So if none of that worked, then as a last resort, what you guys can do is check for any hardware issues. So bring your phone back to the service center and get a professional diagnose. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.